Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I make Dominican style chicken stew. Everyone has their own way of making this. This is how I make it. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. If you do, please like and subscribe. And if you do try this recipe or any of my other recipes, leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. So the first thing you're going to need is chicken, of course. For this I'm using drumsticks. If you want, you can use any other part of the chicken or even a whole chicken for this. And for the seasonings, I'm using garlic, oregano, complete seasoning, adobo, a bouillon, and onion powder. And I'm also using vinegar, olives, wine, bell peppers, onions, and cilantro. For the complete recipe, look down in the description box below. And tomato sauce. I'm just starting off by cutting up all my veggies. Now I'm just going to season the meat. I'm going to add the vinegar and all the seasonings. So now with the heat on high, I'm going to brown the chicken on both sides. And I added the remaining liquid that was in the bowl with the meat. And I covered it and cooked it on low heat for about 20 to 25 minutes. So while I was cooking, I went ahead and I made a moro de guandule. I'll be posting the link for you guys so you guys can check that out. So after cooking this on low heat for 20 minutes, I'm going to add the wine and the vegetables. And then I'm going to cover it and cook it for another 15 minutes on low heat. After 15 minutes, I added the tomato sauce and then I mixed it, I covered it and cooked it for another 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, I just cooked this on medium-high heat for about 10 minutes with the lid on. And then I cooked it for another 5 minutes on high heat with the lid off. And that's it, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.